you do get 150 brake horsepower.
Lovely stream down there. Oh, welcome back to Itch and the Ride. I'm Mark. I'm actually on the way to the Peak District. This is a very last minute thing. But I was going to be going with my mate Alex from Black Stag Styling. Don't forget to check out his YouTube channel. But he couldn't make it in the end, so, and I weren't going to go. But literally last minute, I literally booked this B&B I'm now going to about 3 hours ago. So I left work early. I just packed my bags, and here I am. So I thought, sod it, I'll just go, see what happened. We'll do Snakes Pass and that, a few other places, see how it goes really. Tomorrow's looking alright over there. It's looking dry, but a bit cloudy. Sunday isn't looking quite as good. Might have some showers and a bit of rain, so we'll see. I've got about 177 miles still to go. It takes me 3 hours to get there, so ain't too bad. So next time I'll see you will be at the B&B, I reckon. So I'll see you all in a bit. So this is where I stayed last night. It's the Royal Oak. That's in Wetton. Quite a nice place inside and that. Really nice people here. The room's a very small room, but it's done out really nicely. So yeah, it's alright. 85 quid a night. So ain't too bad a price. That's with breakfast. Right, let's head off then. Right, I'm off to Winnats Pass. I'm like south of the Peak District at the moment, sort of right at the bottom of it. Work our way up. Yeah, 4 degrees it says. But this house is going to get up to about 13 today, I think. So it should get a lot warmer. I've been to the Peak District a couple of times. That was years ago last time I come. Good thing about it for me, it's not too far away, like 3 hours, you know, you're here. It ain't too bad to get to a lovely place like this anyway. Got the heated grips on full whack, you need it this morning. I feel alright at the moment, but it's the trouble once you've been out for a few hours, that'll start getting to you, I reckon, but hopefully that will get warmer and warmer, so should be alright later. Just hit exactly 2,000 miles on the bike now. That's been great so far. Haven't had any problems. Like I say, shouldn't do really in 2,000 miles, but you never know these days. Bloody electronics I got on them. Well, I actually bought it with 700 miles on the clock. Got a private sale, so I haven't done all them miles. Done most of them though. This whole area is just lovely scenery, really nice all down here. Definitely recommend to ride around this way. Now coming up to the Winnats Pass. It's only like a mile away, it says, mile and a half. Here we go. This is it. So we'll get the old drone up here. Be pretty awesome, I reckon. Huh. Look at that. Huh, awesome. This is very steep. Probably won't look like it on the camera though, but that is really, really steep down here. Oh, I'm going to see if I can get the drone up around here. Let's have a look. Let's do it the other way as well. And I'll see about getting the drone up the other end, I think. Let's say it's very short, not a lot to it. But it is, you know, pretty spectacular though. Come on, push bike up here. Cast well steep. Good luck with that. Well, that was the Winnetts Pass. Pretty awesome, to be honest. Got some nice drone footage as well. Lovely place. Definitely recommend to come here if you're up this way.